Hi, I'm Joe from Cleanstar. Today we're going to have a look at the GHIBLI 11 litre commercial wet and dry vacuum cleaner. We have a 1300 watt wet and dry vacuum cleaner motor, easy operated illuminated on-off switch, ABS commercial plastic tank, rubber front caster wheels, large rubber wheels on the rear to make it just that much easier to glide over the floor when in use. Moving on to tools and accessories, we have a 3 metre hose that fits into the front of the machine, simple as that. We have 2 chrome wands, dusting brush, dry hard floor tool, crevice tool, furniture nozzle and a wet squeegee floor tool. So looking at the back of the machine, we have cord storage, wound on like so, tool storage, simply put them together, ready for storage as so. So looking inside the machine, we have a cloth filter bag, just easy clean by brushing it off. When using the machine in wet mode, leave the bag out of the machine. Here we have a floating ball cage, and how it works is as the machine fills with water, the float comes to the top, blocks off the suction of the cleaner to let you know that it's time to empty the vacuum cleaner. In addition to the 11 litre machine, the GHIBLI commercial wet and dry range also includes a 35 litre model and a twin motor 56 litre model, both of which can come with an optional outrigger attachment. So there you have it, the GHIBLI 11 litre commercial wet and dry vacuum cleaner.